Guys, and today we are doing another magic tutorial. All you need is Mr. Billy Pants. First I'll show you the magic trick, then I'll teach you how to do it. I told him some tricks. He can do the limbo like this. Wait, again. And if you look closely, you can even see it bending. He can dance. Do you want me to teach them how to do that trick? Yeah? Okay, this is how you do it. All you need is a paper bag. Do you know those paper bags that you close like this? All you need is one of them. You'll need to chop this off. Chop one end and leave the other one. So chop one end and leave the other one. If you want to, you can draw a face like I did, and you can name it a name. This is the main part. What you'll need to do over here is this. If you look at my thumb, you'll see it moving back and forward. That's what you need to do, but do it dead slowly so they don't notice your thumb moving. Yeah, so you can do all sorts of tricks. You can do the limbo, yeah. So that was it. Bye. Subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.